Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to chrome nails with eyeshadow using an easy method. First, ensure your nails are clean and perfectly shaped. Next, apply a thin, even layer of gel base coat to each nail. Cure this under your UV or LED lamp for about 60 seconds, or according to your product's instructions. Then, apply 1 or 2 coats of a dark gel polish like black, curing each layer thoroughly. This dark base helps the chrome effect pop beautifully. Now for the magic. Apply a no-wipe gel top coat over your cured colored polish. This is crucial for the chrome effect. Cure this top coat for approximately 30 seconds, or just enough so it's mostly dry but still has a slight tackiness. Using a clean eyeshadow applicator or a silicone tool, pick up a small amount of your chosen metallic eyeshadow. Gently rub and buff the eyeshadow onto the tacky nail surface until a smooth, reflective chrome finish appears. Once you've achieved your desired chrome look, it's time to seal it in. Carefully use a soft brush, like a fluffy makeup brush, to dust away any loose eyeshadow powder from your nails and surrounding skin. This prevents any stray glitter from getting trapped. Next, apply a generous, even layer of no-wipe gel top coat over the entire chrome surface. Cure this final top coat completely under your UV or LED lamp for 60 to 90 seconds, ensuring maximum durability and shine. To complete your stunning chrome nails, gently wipe the nail surface with an alcohol wipe or rubbing alcohol to remove any residue and enhance the shine. Don't forget to apply a nourishing cuticle oil around your nails to keep them healthy and hydrated. This easy method allows for endless creativity. Try various metallic eyeshadows to achieve different chrome hues, from classic silver to vibrant iridescent effects. Enjoy your beautiful, salon-quality chrome manicure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.